If you're building business credit with an EIN number, here's the truth. A business card only helps business credit if the data gets reported. So today I'm breaking down four amazing business credit cards and the most important part, where they report and how to use them the right way. Because I see a lot of people get an EIN number, apply for credit cards, then often wonder why their business credit profile doesn't grow. The missing piece is usually the reporting. Now, when I say business card reports, I mean your business account information can be sent into business credit systems like Dun and Bradstreet, also known as DNB. It can also be sent to Equifax Business, Experian Business, and sometimes SBFE, which is a data exchange used by business credit reporting agencies. I also want to share with you guys business credit reporting is not always identical across the credit bureaus. So, one lender might report to one bureau and not the other, and not everything shows instantly. Now, before you apply for any business credit card, here is a few steps that I want you guys to already have in place. So, you want to make sure that your EIN number is correct and matches your legal business name. Okay. Next, I want you to make sure that your business address is correct across all accounts. Next will be your business bank account setup. Your business is findable, so whether you have a website, an email will help as well. Facebook, Instagram, any of those things can help anyone find your business. Another thing that you don't want to do is apply for multiple cards in one day. Pick one lane, then build. Now, let's go ahead and break down these four amazing credit cards. Now, our first card will be Bank of America Small Business Credit Card. Now, like their Business Advantage cards, Bank of America states they report with Equifax for small business credit reporting. Now, BOFA also says their business cards are backed by personal credit, but they are not included on your personal credit report as long as the card is in good standing. So, in simple terms, as long as you are paying your credit card balance in full each month, it will not report to your personal credit profile. So, if you're wondering, yes, your personal credit may be involved in the approval, but business reporting happens through Equifax Business, and the account typically doesn't show on your personal credit report if it stays in good standing. Now, this card is good for someone who is newer, small business who want a traditional bank business card, people who want business reporting but still want the stability of a major bank. Now, if your personal profile is shaky, approvals may be tougher because it's backed by personal credit. Now, to build stronger reports, use the card regularly. Keep spending control and pay on time every month. Now, the next card on our list would be US Bank business credit cards. Now, US Bank has an official page stating your business credit card is reported to Dun and Bradstreet Small Business Financial Exchange, also known as SBFE, and for new small business credit products, reporting is automatic. Now, if your goal is business credit building, DNB is a huge one to have data reporting into. Now, this card is good for anyone that has a business that wants reporting tied into DNB and SBFE, owners who want a mainstream bank relationship. So you want to start with a spend level you can comfortably pay back, consistency on time each month. Your payments matter way more than maxing out. So you guys want to make sure that you keep that in mind as well. Now, as you guys can see, US Bank does have multiple different business credit cards that you can apply for. It just really just depends on your overall business needs on what credit card that you do decide to go with. Card number three is a corporate card style option. So RAM states it doesn't report to your personal credit bureau, but it does report to major business credit bureaus. RAM also talks about building business credit without using personal credit because their corporate card can be structured with company liability and no personal reporting. Now, this card is good for anyone with a business with steady revenue and business banking activity, owners who want to keep their personal and business separate. This card is also good for people who are looking to build business credit as well. Now, corporate cards often look at business cash flow or your bank balance more than a store requirement. So, you want to keep your business bank account healthy, keep expenses organized, and never miss a payment. Now, our next card on the list is Brex. So, here's the accurate breakdown based on Brex's own page. Now, Brex say that they will report delinquent payments to Experian, Equifax, or Dun Bradstreet every 30 days. Now, they are also known to have resources stating they report on time card payments to Dun and Bradstreet and Experian to help build business credit history. So, yes, Brex does talk about business credit reporting, but the most talked about statement on their support page is about delinquents reporting to the three major credit bureaus. Also, review their current reporting terms for your exact product. Now, this card is best for anyone that's in business that operates with a strong transaction volume and want corporate style tools. Owners focus on business only structures. Now, this card is not good for anyone that is looking for a guaranteed approval product. It still depends on your business profile. Now, I do recommend this situation depending on your credit profile. I do recommend that you get an EIN plus bank account plus consistent business identity first. Then you want to make sure that you apply for one traditional bank business card first, which will either be Bank of America or US Bank. Then you want to build 60 to 90 days of perfect credit history, making sure that you are making your payments on time. Then consider the corporate card options if your business cash flow supports it only. Now, if you're already established and consistent and you have business banking, I will recommend considering the RAMP or Brex corporate lane. Also, add a bank business card for business reporting, banking relationship as well. So again, Bank of America, they do work with Equifax Business. U.S. Bank works with DNB and SBFE. RAMP works with business bureaus, not business bureaus, not personal. And then Brax reporting varies by status. Delinquent payments report to Experian, Equifax, and DNB. Now, comment, report, and tell me, are you an LLC or a sole prop? How long have you been in business? And I'll tell you which link to start with. So, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure that you give this video a like and a thumbs up. Until next time, I will see you all in the next video.